Up first, how to make easy and authentic Chinese food. Joining us now is celebrated chef and author Yingqiang Kapustin on behalf of Nestle's Maggi Taste of Asia products. Welcome.
Thanks for having me.
You've got a beautiful display here. It smells wonderful. I absolutely love Chinese food, but I'm not always comfortable making it at home in that I can't always get that what I think of as restaurant flavor.
So that's where the Maggi product come in, and with the sweet chili sauce.
Secret ingredients?
Yeah, the sweet chili sauce is my favorite. They made with fresh chopped chili and no MSG added.
Oh,
so
good.
yeah, this make a great dipping sauce for meatball, for egg rolls we have here, and also as a marinade. And also with the sauté chicken, you know, that's where you get at a Chinese restaurant.
All the sautés, yes, I love those.
So this, we're going to make a chicken later today. I will show you how easy.
There it is. There it is.
So,
okay, Taste of Asia. All right. So you're going to show us how to make some of these things, and then so nice of you to bring enough for us to sample and taste and taste. Do you need that? You can open it
we're going to open that up, and I'm just going to show you.
Here.
Would you like help me add some lemon juice into the chicken? So this is, you know, if you come home, you're in a hurry at a weeknight, and all you have to do is add a package of this and then some sesame seeds.
Sesame seeds. So how long do you think this is going to take for us to prepare at home?
So this more like a less than 10 minutes. So you marinate this. So sometimes in the morning, if you remember this, you marinate this, cover that, put in the refrigerator.
Right.
So when you come home, and all you have to do, we have some already, heat it up. So you chop some peppers.
Now let me ask you a quick question here. I noticed that you have the strips of chicken. So is this already the pre-cut strips of chicken that
you can buy at a store? And here we have some, we're going to turn this on. We have some cooked chicken with peppers, and we added some papaya.
Oh, that's papaya?
Yeah, it helped the digestion. And we added my secret sauce, the Maggi sweet chili sauce.
Which is no secret anymore now.
And now we all know. Yeah, people can buy the local grocery store.
That's all you put in there?
Yeah, and then
it's like a tablespoonful.
Yeah, it's just a little bit. We really add a lot of flavor.
I'm surprised.
And then we have a Maggi seasoning sauce. You only need
I have that in my cupboard.
Isn't that wonderful?
And you know what I use it for? Steak Diane. You take, you know, which is not at all Chinese. But I put it on there as a seasoning. This is a great seasoning to have.
You only need a couple drips. Yes. And no MSG, and it's much more healthier than regular soy sauce. So we're done. Look, we have some cooked already.
And then you've got it, of course, on a bed of rice here.
Yeah, you serve with rice or pasta. You can make that.
Nice.
And, so this is all very simple. We have shrimp and the fruit kebab. Look at this one. Look.
Yes.
And this one, I always tell people you can whatever fruit is in season, you can just you can replace it with chicken.
Now, you have strawberries on there. Have you ever made a kebab with strawberries, Rob? Is a cook too? So this all goes on the grill?
It all goes on the grill, and then when you're done, I made a dipping sauce with Maggi sweet chili sauce and the seasoning sauce. So again, you can use whatever fruit is in season, and then we have a soy made with tofu and the vegetable egg roll, and you know, again, this will make a great dipping sauce.
So this is a tofu egg roll, because look how sheer this is.
This is made with rice wrappers. You can buy this at Asian store. All you have to do is you dip them in the water and then soften, and then you just wrap them.
Oh, because I haven't seen them that thin before.
This is like a Vietnamese egg roll, and the Chinese and the Vietnamese, we eat this. You know what? You can be creative. If you don't have this at home, you can use tortillas.
Oh,
it will do just fine. And make a wonderful naan.
Good.
So. So for more simple recipe, you can go to the tasteofasia.com.
Right, and I'll give everybody that. I thank you so much for coming in today.
So I think this will be your lunch, right?
Yeah, you keep stirring.
Yeah, I will keep stirring. Actually, I need to turn this one.
Are you going to plate that up on here?
Yeah, we're going to put this on.
You're originally from China, right?
I'm originally from China, yes. And I live in California now.
Okay, we've only got a few seconds left, so I think we're probably fit. Well, tell me about this pretty salad, though.
Oh, yeah, that's a chickpea with spinach salad.
Avocados.
I use avocados, and I use the flaxseed oil. is high in omega-3.
Alternative.
And also
Isn't that beautiful?
Yeah, the nutty flavor really highlights the sweet chili sauce. The nut
Are those
flavor.
walnuts, pecans,
yeah.
avocados, oranges?
And it's all, you can buy most of this at the store, and they're very easy.
Yeah, you don't have
just
to
throw
go
them
to a
together.
specialty grocery. Okay,
Yep.
thank you so much for
You're
coming
so welcome
today.
to have me.
Shisha.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
For a copy of today's recipe, send a self-addressed stamped envelope to the address on your screen or log on to showcaseminnesota.com. Click on recipes, then on the main dish and appetizer categories.